I'm here with my Jacobsen lawnmower. We just finished up the installation with the 2008 Dodge Ram seat upgrade. It's from a Laramie, so it's a heated seat. So let me show you what we just accomplished here, because this is incredible. We have the light bar, the smokestack, the turbo kit, the Dodge Ram Laramie heated seat, leather interior and exterior. There's no interior. Fully mounted, fully adjustable, heated. Got the tachometer. One, two, and three mowing decks, making this mower capable of mowing 12 feet of cut in one pass. "17 gallons of hydraulic fluid is in this tank, which would cost you $1,000 if you went to Jacobsen to get that. Luckily, we went to Tractor Supply. Only $255 worth of hydraulic fluid for this tractor. So what's next? We just got to fix that oil leak to the oil feed line for the turbo, and we got to fix some hydraulics on it. The three cylinders I think are leaking. This one was leaking pretty bad. That cylinder is to steer the rear wheels. This tractor is four-wheel drive. I'll keep you updated. What do you guys think? Comment in the comment section.